Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power lift gate, navigation system, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.